In today's video, we're going to quickly break down how to fix the E1 error code on a Furrion Tankless water heater. If your heater suddenly stops producing hot water and shows E1, don't panic. This is a common ignition-related issue and, in many cases, it can be resolved with a few basic checks. The E1 error code on a Furrion Tankless water heater means there's a problem with the fuel ignition system. In simple terms, the heater is not able to ignite the gas properly. The most common causes include closed or faulty gas valves, dirty or damaged igniters, or issues with fuel delivery. Start by checking the gas supply. Power off the heater completely and make sure the gas valves are fully open. Visually inspect the valves for cracks, corrosion, or physical damage. If a valve looks damaged, it should be replaced before turning the heater back on. If the E1 code remains, the next step is cleaning the igniters. Turn off both the power and the gas supply. Remove the igniter cover and shielding using a screwdriver. Carefully disconnect the thermocouple wires, remove the burner assembly, and gently clean the igniters using fine sandpaper to remove soot or carbon buildup. Once cleaned, reassemble all components in reverse order, restore the gas supply, and power the heater back on. If the error still persists after these steps, it's best to contact a certified water heater technician as the issue may involve deeper ignition or control board problems. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.